haven't watched the video, I will try to remember to link it above where I got these just before Christmas. I got them on a really good bargain. Today I thought I would actually go in with the red velvet and see what looks I could come out with. This is what it looks like, and it'll just show you what I got. So a lot of looks will be coming with these palettes. I will mix them up. They won't be like every video is going to be an eye art, but I was like, now I've got them, I'm going to use them. So if you guys are new to this channel, would love you to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and it will let you know when I bring a video out. But not only that, if you've got any comments and you do go and watch the other video and you want to see a certain palette after this one, then just let me know in the comments below. So first of all, I am going to start off with the Praline palette. This is what it looks like. This is Temper, which I had to do like 2 swipes. Ripple, that's just a 1 swipe. BALM was 2 swipes. Praline Fondant. I must admit, I've not got a lot on my brush. I would say with this palette, don't overdo it. But it is blending out evenly. It's going on, if you see, quite dark, but when you start blending, it blends nicely. In this pan, this is actually quite a nice bronzer. And I'm gonna take Ripple and Bonbon, which is these 2 together, and put it as a blush. Will be a little bit shimmery. Yeah, these are definitely glittery blushes, but they're nice. That does look nice. I'm then going to be taking white highlighter. It's called Fondant. Oh, it picks up product. That is white. It's got like a pink hue to it. I don't know whether that's... So I can see a white cast when I'm looking straight on, and I don't like that. I don't actually like the white cast. So what I would actually do is, I wouldn't use this. I'd reuse the 2 blushes and the bronzer, and I think this will be a nice highlighter, but I'll try that another time. So guys, I thought today I would go into the Red Velvet palette, which looks like this. This is the Red Velvet palette, and I'll tell you what, I've double swatched as well, so it makes it a little easier. Crumbs had 2 swatches. Treat was 1. Lush Frosting was 2. Caramelize was 2. Pasties, Brown Sugar, Baked, Cream Cheese was 2. Decadent Chocolate was 2. Beetroot was 1, but I had to sort of pull it across to make it work. Then we've got Blend, and then we've got Cupcake, Infuse, that was a double swatch. Bitter, that was a double swatch. Sweet, I've had to put 3 on, but I did have me, it's like, it's gone up here guys, so Sweet, and then Red Velvet. I'm just going to use the Too Faced Insurance on my lids. So starting off with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to go into Cream Cheese. It's like a whitey cream one. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Then taking Treat, which is this orange one here. I'm just going to put that through my crease. I'm just going to keep building this till I get the desired look that I want. Just taking little bits at a time. Then I'm going to go into Crumbs, which is this one here, and put it on the outer part and into my crease. That's what you want, pigment. And then taking it in the crease. And then with the clean blush, I'm going to blow it out. That had the first colour on, but I've not put any more colour on. And to darken it on the outer edge further, I'm going to take Bitter and just on the corner part. I'm going back in with cream cheese and just going to do a little blending up on the top. So, and this is actually light enough to be a brow bone colour as well. Frosting and sweet, and do them both. Starting off with frosting dry. Okay guys, I'm impressed. This is more of a lilac, but it looks white in the pan. I'm shocked. And then in the middle, I'm going to be putting the sweet. This one's a little bit more crumbly. And then just blend it into the mascara. And then it blends nicely into both. And then I'm just going to take Treat, which is what I started with, on my waterline. Actually, I'm taking Crumbs. And then I'm going to go into Bitter just for the outer part. Go back with that sweet on my finger just to see if I can get it a little bit more. That's it. So this one is the Red Velvet. This is I Heart Revolution in Salted Caramel. Mascara would be good first. You know, finish the eyes off, Nadia. So I'm just going in with Urban Decay's Perversion Mini. So yeah, I think the Salted Caramel will look nice with this. It has got a smell to it. I think this is a gloss. It's a nice pretty colour. So I'm going to try the other two. So this is Praline. Again, it's got a smell to it, but it's not a bad smell. It's not awful. So this is it with Praline. I'll take my band off. And then let's try the red one. And this is chocolate cherry. Again, it's got the smell, but it's not got a taste, and it's not stretchy. It's quite nice to build the opacity of it up to get it to this colour. You have to put a couple of layers on, so it is quite thick, but it's a beautiful colour. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this I Heart makeup. I know it's only a quick, simple look, but I like quick, simple looks. I really do. And I do like this. I do like this. It's not pink, but it's not red. It's like a burgundy, and it's really pretty. I'm actually going to take the white out, the Praline one, and actually put that on my inner corner, I think. Yes. So guys, this concludes my video on the Red Velvet palette, and I like it. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll link it up in the eye if you want to actually watch the video of these, and then if you want to suggest what you would like to see next, would really appreciate it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.